Today's vaccine is Poop Slam Prank on Grandma by the Angry Grandma. So, like, the link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check them out. So, let's into this vaccine in 3, 2, 1.
Graham, please!
Fuck you! I ain't going to your house to help you set up a fucking Christmas tree when I ain't even put up one.
Granny, I ain't got nobody else to help put it up and I need your help.
I can't help it. I'm not going.
Where's your Christmas spirit?
It ain't hit me yet.
I
got a long fucking ways to go before it hits me.
We'll just go over my house, we'll grab the light bulbs, we'll set the tree up, and we'll sing.
Bullshit! I told you I ain't fucking putting up a Christmas tree or helping you either.
Why?
Fuck, you're able to put your own fucking tree up if you want one.
No, I need help with the gauze and the bulbs and the star. I need help putting on the star on the top of the tree.
Why the fuck? Yeah, you fucking 2 heads taller than me and everything else, and you need help by putting a star on top of the tree? That's your fucking problem.
Come on, Gran. How about this? We go to Myers, we get some Christmas cookies, we get some decorations, and we go from there.
Yeah, you want to go to Myers. You know fucking well I'm banned from there. If they catch my ass coming in there again, they gonna put my ass in jail. That's where I'll be sitting and looking through bars at Christmas time. And you get a damn kick out of that, wouldn't you, motherfucker? Well, I ain't going.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Will you shut the fuck up? Bring my ass over here. Ain't that enough to try and put these bulbs up here for you? Motherfucker, you get me into the damnedest shit I ever seen.
I'm just getting into the holiday spirit of things, Gran.
Fuck it.
What are you doing?
Where's the fucking hooks that goes on my so you can't hang them without hooks?
I ran out of them.
Well, how the fuck you expect me to put these motherfuckers on the fucking tree if you ain't got no fucking hooks on them?
I thought you brought some with you.
Fuck that! You never said a damn thing about hooks. I figured you'd have sense enough to get some damn hooks.
Let's put the gauze on it.
Stupid.
Put them on.
Damn motherfucker.
Quit! My bulbs!
I don't give a damn. I got a lot of ammunition.
Stop!
Fuck you.
What are you doing?
Fuck you. Fuck you, motherfucker. I ain't have you do fucking shit. Told you, motherfucker, I wasn't gonna help you. Get me over here to hang them up before you ain't even got no damn things to go on it. To hold the damn bulbs on, you stupid ass.
I thought you brought...
You do what? Oh,
stop!
Boy, I can sit here and whistle right the fuck at your ass.
Granny!
Stupid ass.
I thought you bought hooks.
Hell no, why would I buy hooks? When you bought these damn things, you should have bought hooks for them. Did you? Fuck no.
I'm sorry, Granny. I thought it would be fun to have you come over and help me with the tree.
Stupid ass motherfucker. Get me into damn worst shit that you could get me into and have me to try and hang these fucking bulbs And motherfucker ain't got no hooks for him or nothing else. I don't know why the fuck you putting it up now for anyway. It ain't even December yet. I know a lot of people do, but fuck. Son of a bitch.
What's gotten into you? You're a Grinch.
But even you damn top, the star on the top ain't even lit up. What the fuck's wrong with it? You probably ain't plugged the motherfucker in's probably what happened. Or do you know you have to plug it in?
It didn't have no plug-in with it.
Oh. It should have a plug-in with it.
This one don't.
It's a good fucking thing you got one with the lights on it, cause if you didn't, you're fucked. You wouldn't even know how to put the fucking lights on it.
At least I decorated Michael Myers.
Michael Myers, ISO.
Granny, I know what to cheer you up.
What?
That new toy I got.
New toy hell. What the fuck? Fuck that damn thing. I ain't running that motherfucker. Let it go. Boy, here comes back. Motherfucker is following me. Where's he going?
Where is it?
Fuck, I don't know.
Get it, Gran!
Where'd he go?
What do you mean, where'd it go?
Where the hell's he at?
Stop!
That damn thing's trying to attack me and every fucking thing else right in my fucking face. You know what? Fuck it! Stick it up your ass! Motherfucker! Son of a bitch! Oh, son of a bitch, now it's following me! Go back! Go back! Go back!
Put the broom down!
Go!
Quick, Gran!
I can't get switched around! Fuck! You don't want... Fuck you!
1 hour later.
What you bring these fucking lights out for and shine it right in my fucking face?
Cause I want to be able to see you when I talk to you. It's so dark in here.
Oh, fuck! Piss on that shit!
Well, look, my one light bulb's going out. It did go out. Do you got a spare?
No, you want me to pull one out my ass and give it to you? Hell no, why would I be carrying light bulbs with me?
I don't know.
Motherfucker, go to the dollar store and get you some.
Well, anyways, I figured maybe we could do something special for today's video. So, what do people always accuse you of, Granny?
You know as well as I do, they always accuse me of either eating ice or eating bugs. And I get so fucking sick of it, I can't stand it.
What was the second one they accuse you of?
Eating fucking bugs.
Well, I figured since everybody's always going on about saying you eat bugs and everything, which you did tell me you used to do when you were younger.
I have never, ever told you that shit. And I don't know where in the fuck you have got it at.
Anyways, I figured since they're always accusing you of eating bugs, why not today we both try some? So I ordered this thing off Amazon. It's called Mixed Bugs. It's got crickets in it. It's got beetles. It's just got a bunch of bugs in it. And they're edible. You can eat them.
Oh, fuck no. Hell no. I don't give a fuck what they are. I ain't eating them.
Come on, Gran.
Bullshit.
They'll probably taste pretty good.
I'm not eating the motherfuckers.
Why?
If you want them, you eat the fucking things. I'm not eating the motherfuckers.
I'm gonna eat them with you. We'll give a review on how they taste.
Eat all you want. I ain't eating the damn things.
Please.
I don't play. It ain't working.
Granny, this is all I want for Christmas.
I don't give a shit what you want for Christmas. I'm not eating the fucking bugs.
Come on, Granny, they have crickets in here, just like Mama used to make. Come on, don't you want to eat it?
Who in the hell fixed cooked crickets, you stupid ass? You get to me where I can't even fucking talk.
Come on!
Come on, hell. Mixed bugs. Cooked and dehydrated mixed bugs seasoned with salt. No added colors or preservatives. Microwave dried and roasted. Motherfucker, I ain't eating these fucking things. Hell no. Bugs. Fuck that. It's got crickets, worms, silkworms, and that. Mother. Oh, fuck that. Stupid motherfucker. I ain't eating this fucking shit. And buy this fucking shit for us to eat. Spend your money on this damn shit, knowing that I ain't gonna eat the motherfuckers. You could have bought me a fucking pizza or something.
Well, we
Damn
can still get the pizza and just put that on top of it.
I ain't eating fucking bugs.
It could add flavor to it.
They don't take the guts out, stupid eyes. They take the guts out of them, but I will not eat no fucking worms. And those look like maggots. Hell no. I like to know what the fuck they got. Grasshopper, crickets. I don't know what the fuck that wood bug is. I sure the hell ain't eating it. I ain't eating these motherfuckers.
Quit!
You got them.
You're gonna squish them.
I don't give a damn. I'll squash the whole fucking bag and just wad it up and throw it all over your damn house.
Granny, this is our dinner.
It ain't my fucking dinner.
Come on, Granny, aren't you getting hungry?
I'll go in there and eat a damn shriveled up whatever.
Why would you eat that when you got perfectly good bugs?
I ain't eating no fucking bugs.
They've been cooked.
I don't give a shit what they've been done. Have they been gutted? You gotta stop and think. They don't gut them. You're eating their fucking shit, their asshole, their pecker or pee-pee, whatever they got, and every fucking thing else. And their guts. Fuck you. I ain't eating the shit. And their blood. Fuck. Hell no.
All right, Granny. Ready for supper?
I can't believe you talked me into doing this fucking stupid ass shit.
I told you I'll give you $100 to do it. So let's see what it's like.
Fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck, no. Look at that fucking shit. You think I'm eating that shit? Look at that. Motherfucker. Look at that shit.
Looks like trail mix.
Fuck trail mix.
Looks like trail mix. What?
For the people wondering, that's it.
Eat them damn things, them damn maggots. Look at the fucking maggots. I think that one's still crawling. Son of a bitch, I'm not eating them motherfuckers. There ain't no fucking way you gonna get me to put every one of them damn things in my mouth.
Here, Granny, why don't you eat this one?
I ain't eating that damn thing. You're holding on to its asshole. What the fuck is that? I don't know what that is.
Give it a kiss.
Fuck you!
Ew! You squeezed it too hard.
Did it shit on you?
It looks like it.
I wouldn't doubt it. Look at them little fucking beady eyes. Motherfucker. Son of a bitch.
That's the one thing I don't like about it, Granny, is you can see its eyes.
I ain't eating it.
How about we eat the tail?
I ain't eating this ice hole.
We didn't gotta eat its ass.
What about the tail? What is the tail? That's the ice hole.
Well, why don't we eat that one?
Fuck no, that's a fucking maggot.
It looks pretty good. At least it don't have eyes.
Fuck no, them little motherfuckers probably ain't got eyes, but fuck that shit. You're making me sick. Them damn fucking things, son. Shit.
How about this? We split that one.
I ain't eating this top off and I ain't eating this ice hole.
We'll eat its stomach.
You still give me the $100?
Yeah, I will.
Motherfucker. What are you taking? You taking the ice hole or the head? Ooh. Bite it off, see what it looks like inside, motherfucker.
I'm not biting it, you bite it.
I ain't biting that damn thing. Ooh, damn. Looks like shit coming out of its ice right there any fucking way. I ain't eating that fucking thing. You ain't sticking me with no fucking maggots either.
You know, I went to Spencer's before, and I've got, one of them suckers with bugs in it, and I ate it and stuff like that, and none of them look as big as this. That's one big-ass cricket. That looks like the one that was on Pinocchio's shoulder.
Oh, don't worry that. Like I said, it looked like they was shit right there coming out of his ice hole. And I ain't eating that damn thing. I ain't eating it. No. Ah, damn. What else is in there? Not a fucking thing. I want to see something. Oh, fuck.
Maybe you should dump a little out.
You think that? Look at that fucking thing. How about that, motherfucker? That's a whopper. That's a fucking whopper.
Holy shit.
I ain't eating that motherfucker.
Look at the size difference.
What's this damn thing?
Ooh.
I ain't eating it. What's this damn thing?
That one was on steroids.
What's that note? What is that? What the fuck is that? That looks like a damn fly. Looks like a thing of shit coming out of its ice hole too that I picked it up by. I ain't eat that. I ain't eat that fucking shit. Fuck that shit. Do what you want to fucking do. I ain't eating it. Look at that. Look at that. What the fuck is that?
That's its head!
Well, when I've been decapitated.
Let's see what the inside looks like.
Okay.
Oh, I touched its eye.
Well, you couldn't touch its fucking eyes if you pick it up. What the hell? There ain't nothing in there. What's this other? I'm about afraid to touch any fucking thing.
What's that?
Looks like a wing or something, you know.
Looks like a wiener.
We know.
What's this? What the fuck is that? Boy, that's been, that's really been...
Chewed out and shit out.
Sure has. They ain't got no head. They ain't got shit. But it's got an ice hole there.
It does smell good.
Oh, bullshit! Oh, motherfucker! Son of a bitch! Oh, fuck! Quiet! Stupid eye!
Smelled like shit.
Oh.
That smelled like shit.
I ain't eating eating them damn things. I don't give a fuck what you give me. Damn things. Okay. Fuck no. No. I ain't eating them damn bugs.
How about this?
Oh, fuck.
I'll make you a deal.
Oh, we ain't making no fucking deal.
I'll eat the.
I ain't eating shit on that.
I'll eat the king one, and you eat the baby one.
I'm not eating that damn baby. I ain't eating none of that fucking shit. There ain't no way in hell I'll eat that shit. That looks like a big turd.
It does.
They shit in it.
Ew, you crushed it.
See, I told you it ain't got no fucking eyes.
No eyes.
I didn't check to see if it had eyes, so. I ain't eating them motherfuckers. Reckon that's the ISO part of it. I started saying, you eat one, I'll eat this. Is that the ISO? That's gotta be the ISO, cause it's all brown in there. I ain't eat them. But, yeah.
You know what, Granny? You know what?
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 I think that's a fucking arm. You see the fingers?
I don't know what the fuck it is.
It's flipping us off. Look,
God, just looking at it making me sick.
I'll make you a deal.
The smell of them.
How about this?
I ain't gonna get past that fucking smell.
How about this, Granny? Since we don't know which one we're gonna eat, how about we FaceTime Shelby or Caroline and they pick out which one we eat?
I ain't. Bullshit! They pick out the worst one they can find for my eyes.
How about this? Whichever one they choose for us, we have to eat. They might pick a small one for you and they might choose King Kong for me.
Hell no, that'd be the damn one they want me to eat. Fuck that.
Let's try it.
Go ahead.
Let's just see what they say.
Yeah.
Hey, Shelby. Hey, Caroline. So, me and Granny are currently in the middle of filming a video and you guys are going to be in it. So, me and Granny, you know how people always accuse Granny of eating ass or eating bugs?
Yeah.
So, we decided that why not make it true? I ordered a bunch of them bugs.
Oh my god.
And me and Granny are gonna eat them, and we both are having a hard time on picking which one we want to eat. You guys choose for us. Which one should Granny eat?
That one. That one.
They want you to eat.
I told you, motherfuckers. I told you. Hell no, I'm not eating that one. I don't give a damn
They
if you
chose
eat
it.
that one. I don't give a damn if they did.
Eat this one.
Fuck no, I ain't eating that. But hell no.
Take one for the team, Gran.
Yeah, eat that, Granny.
Fuck you.
They want you to.
I'm gonna save it for their asses.
Come on, Gran, let's try it.
I ain't eating it.
Come on, Graham.
Hey,
Hell no.
you can do it.
Eat that part.
No, that looks like a pile of shit.
Eat it.
I ain't eating that.
Alright, then just grab a bug and just eat it.
Yeah, let's eat.
Salt on it, chili anything.
It's already salted.
Supposed to already be salted. I told you they'd pick out the biggest one in there. Fuck them two. I'm not eating it. They wouldn't either. Hell no. It's looking at me with them fucking little beady eyes. I'm not eating it.
It likes you.
I don't give a damn if it does. I ain't eating that motherfucker. You eat that one. I eat that. What you do with mine? Now say I picked me out one and you done something fucking with it. Motherfucker. If I gotta eat this one, my fuck you're eating this one. I'll cram it down your damn throat. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open wide.
I don't want it.
It'll come flying in. Open up. Open up.
I don't want it.
Eat it. I said eat it.
Please, Granny, no.
I said eat it. I don't want it. I don't want it. You're gonna eat it. Look, that miles looking at you. It's a craving. Eat me, Jake. Eat me. Eat me, Jake. Eat me. I told you, you motherfucker. Wait, I gotta put my glasses back on. I can't see. Well, we tore his ice off of it, so you don't have to eat his ice. So eat it. There's nothing in there now. Eat it. We tore his ice off. His ice fell off, so you ain't eating this ice hole.
This is for the little brown eyes. We love you guys. Be sure to hit like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. This is for them. This is for all the fans.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Shoot.
You dropped one!
Fuck it! Fuck it! Oh.
You chew yours?
Yes, I chewed it up on the top, but you think I spit it out for him? Oh, that was so fucking nice. Still, that taste is in my fucking mouth. Did you swallow yours?
I didn't chew mine. I lied. I was acting like I was chewing it.
You motherfucker! I chewed mine up. I know you do it.
Oh, quit!
Well, you would do it. You cheating asshole! Made me eat these motherfucking damn things. I'm telling you.
I tell you what.
You don't know what you do. Should've known. You little fucking cheat motherfucker. You cheating asshole. Fuck you. Bye guys, I love you. Fuck you!
I got bugs in my mouth!
You ain't got shit, motherfucker. At least I chewed mine up. You stupid ass. Oh, fuck.
Later that night.
Alright, hey, what's up, you guys? So, Granny just went to go take a nap about like an hour ago, and she's already sound asleep. And I ordered this poop slime a while ago, and it finally got delivered today. So, I'm gonna go prank Granny with it. Let's see how this goes.
What the fuck? You shit on me, you motherfucker! Get the fuck out of here.
What's wrong?
Motherfucker. One thing, you
Quit!
shit on me!
No!
Stupid ass motherfucker, I'll beat the fuck out of you! Look at my fucking shirt, and then I'll damn you!
Ow!
Beat the motherfucking hell out of you! You wait till I get a hold of you, you damn asshole! Stupid ass motherfucker! Look at that fucking stuff! You shit on me! You motherfucker, you shit on me, you stupid ass! Look that big fucking pile in the floor! Did you kill me?
Stop!
It's shit!
There was poop slime prank on Grandma by the angry Grandma. So the link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check them out. And drop a like if you like, and comment down below if you want to see more reaction like this one. And subscribe if you're new, and click the bell so be notified when I upload. Bye.